Yes, Samyaprash.
Thank you. Varaha Narayan Mukunda. Also, in verse 13, Srila Prabhupada talks about the chaste and simple dedication of the disciple to the Guru's orders. And he says the words of the spiritual master and father should be accepted without hesitation, and simple yes, there's no argument. As soon as there's instance of this is not correct, I cannot carry it out, then they're following. And the purport really kind of just elaborates on that. Can you kind of place that in context with the whole Bhagavad Gita being Arjuna surrendering, but then asking question after question and really expressing doubts and having those doubts answered to the point where he's, yep, I give up, I totally agree, I'm on board. How does that all fit into the same package? It appears in a way like he's arguing.
That's the system, is that the Guru is meant to remove the doubts, and one has to ask these kinds of questions and not be lazy about it. It says, Kaviraj Goswami in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Siddhanta Balya Chaitanakara Alash, Iha Hwete Krishna Lage Sudrid Manosh. Don't be alash, or don't be neglectful or lazy about asking questions that may seem controversial, because then one can come to Siddhanta. Siddhanta means what something is and also what isn't. Very precise understanding of the truth. And inquiry is invited. Tasmad gurum prapadyeta jignasu shreya uttamam. You should inquire, but about the absolute truth. One shouldn't put forth, Prabhupada said, absurd inquiries. There's an absurd inquiry on record in Japan. What's his name? Sri Charanam? I guess he was a bhakta at that time. He asked Prabhupada if he ever met Indra. Prabhupada considered that an absurd inquiry. And so one should ask questions, but then it should be done in the mood of coming to a conclusion so that one can say, yes sir, and carry out one's duty. Sometimes one has to clarify one's duty. Sometimes, Prabhupada asked several times from his guru what it is. And it's also, as I just pointed out, you should be inquisitive, which means that you should ask about any doubts that you have, that should be removed. So in other words, in context with all the other instructions, it's not illegal. But the mood is that I'm asking from the authority to remove the doubt, not to challenge, to find some other authority.